Python is a powerful and elegant programming language. Even a basic working knowledge of Python opens a huge number of doors for artists, architects, and designers. With Rhino, you can model buildings, spaces, and objects, and export drawings, renderings, machine toolpaths, and 3D printer files. Combining Python with Rhino allows us to take advantage of all the functionality of Rhino while working, thinking, and producing algorithmically. My name is Carl Lestrito. I teach at RISD in the Department of Architecture and the Interdisciplinary Computation concentration. In my own practice, I write in Python to create drawings. I rely on the control that programming gives me over every aspect of the drawing process, from the creation and projection of form, to the behavior of lines on paper, to the machines that produce drawings. In this course, my goal is to weave together programming techniques with computational theory. In the first few minutes, I'll show you how to automate the creation of thousands of points. We'll work our way through Rhino topologies that build on each other. Points will lead to curves, and curves to surfaces. Along the way, we'll touch on what makes Python different from other programming languages, and cover both broad strategies and the minutiae of syntax. As the course progresses, you'll explore different ways of being creative. As you're probably expecting, you'll generate form and shape via code, but you'll also generate new readings of form and space through the development of new conventions for rendering objects with lines and new systems of perspective projection. The concepts you learn will empower you to incorporate programming into your own practice. Whether you take your knowledge of Python to another environment or continue to master the Rhinoscript library, this course will change how you think about art, architecture, and design.